Getting bunch out now. Look at that.
What?
They could have shared one. And I said, no, we couldn't.
Nope.
Brand else. Oh, I got the smallest. More attention in the world. For sure. That is.
I think this is it.
Great, thank you.
You want
Thank
spicy?
you. this place is such a vibe.
It's such a vibe. I love the music as well.
Yeah. That's nice.
What is it?
It's like, I do think I mix it because I only got to the mango later on. But it's like salt green.
Yeah.
And then mango tea comes through. It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. Vlogging.
Yeah.
So, Wagwan.
I still haven't fixed the sentence, but this will do.
Man, it's actually great. I can see myself on the camera as well. So yeah, here we are, Temple of Literature back in Hanoi.
Yeah. Take our time though.
We are back. Look at this.
Okay, so we're in Ho Chi Minh's. Well, it's kind of like the palace grounds.
Yeah, this is like his
Yeah,
work
yeah.
quarters. We kind of worked and lived.
Really nice. It was
Beautiful.
40k.
40k, cheap.
We're having a great tourist day. I'm getting that humidity glow.
You're glowing. To be fair, our skin looks quite good. A bit humid, but we're looking,
Glow.
we're looking good. Oh yeah, you're dripping. This gal's dripping.
But no, we're having a really good time here and I highly recommend it. We're kind of like, it almost feels like a little village that we're in. And lovely flowers, great music, great history. So So yeah. What is this? They're crazy looking.
What's going on over here, Lena?
I don't know. Nothing fishy is going on here.
Nothing to do with this fan coming back to you.
Okay, we found lunch and some.
This is real.
This is cheap. I'm excited though.
This isn't on your Instagram reels.
No.
This is real Vietnam.
Yeah.
It's nice.
All right, we just got a basket full of greens, which you know it's gonna be good when you get one of these.
Yeah.
You know. Then some spring rolls, some veg, and then some sauces, and it's actually phenomenal.
No, it's really nice.
Oh, these are good.
Oh.